Hi. Now in this lecture, we're going to look at Bluetooth technology. Bluetooth technology is on your smart device, on your smartphones, and it plays an important role. And we're going to take a look into what features can be provided. Now, Bluetooth is a wireless personal area network communication protocol, and it's designed by the Bluetooth Special Interest Group, the Bluetooth SIG. Now, compared to Wi-Fi, which is a wireless local area network, this is a wireless PAN, wireless personal area network. A personal area is smaller than a local area. In other words, if you had a local area, that could be like multiple rooms of an office being shared together. While a wireless personal area network would be like just one of those offices that I'm in. So the range of a wireless PAN is smaller than the range of a wireless local area network. Now, the objective here is to replace cables connecting many different types of devices, such as a mobile phone to your headset, your heart monitor to your medical equipment, and things like that. Now, in your smartphone, and among the Bluetooth features, we're going to go over a couple, and one of them is A2DP, Advanced Audio Distribution Profile. This enables wireless transmission of stereo audio from an A2DP smartphone or a computer to an A2DP headphone or some type of stereo system. The other one is AppX. This supports wireless real-time streaming of high-quality stereo audio over the Bluetooth A2DP connection. This includes proprietary audio codec compression algorithms, and it's used in various consumer and automotive wireless audio applications. Then there's Enhanced Data Rate, EDR. This was introduced in Bluetooth version 2.0, and it's there to support faster data rates. It supports a data rate up to 3 megabits per second, and using reduced duty cycle control, EDR can provide much lower power consumption while supporting a much higher data rate. Then there's Bluetooth High Speed, plus HS. Now, this is a technology that was released in 2009, and it was released under the code of Bluetooth version 3.0 plus HS. Now, Bluetooth 3.0 plus HS provides data transfer speeds up to 24 megabits per second, though not over just using the Bluetooth link itself. What it does is, the Bluetooth link is used for negotiation and establishment. It's like the control channel. And the high data rate traffic is carried over a co-located Wi-Fi link using 802.11. So you can see that Bluetooth high speed would be very useful on a smartphone because smartphones have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi together. And that's exactly what this was targeted to support. So you use Bluetooth like a control channel, and when you set things up, then you send actually your data through the Wi-Fi link. And that's what this is about. The plus HS part of the specification is not a mandatory part of the Bluetooth version 3.0. Only devices that display the plus HS logo actually support Bluetooth over the 802.11 high-speed data transfer. Now, here are some of the Bluetooth specification evolution specs. And as you can see, from the 1.1 all the way to the 4.0, you can see the progression that has been made. First, starting at 1.1, this was the beginning in 2002. The original data rates were below a megabits per second, the 723 kilobits per second. And in this range, you can see, as you see below in the table here, there's not that many additional features that could be added to it. Now, as we go all the way to 2.0 plus EDR, now, in this case, we start exceeding the 2 megabits per second range, and that's really good. In addition, as you can see, improved security and NFC support was enabled. Now, moving a little bit more, going to the 2.1, with EDR capability added, now we can reach the 3 megabits per second data rate range. And also, this is when improved pairing, without using a PIN, without using your PIN, you're enabled to use this type of improved pairing capability. As we reach 3.0 and the added plus HS capability, now we can reach 24 megabits per second speeds. And going to 4.0, which was released in 2010, we can reach 25 megabits per second, and also the standard personal area network range is extended. Some additional features about the Bluetooth evolution. Now, as you can see here, voice dialing, call, mute, and also last number redialing, that was there from the beginning. However, some additional features such as fast transmission speeds, lower power consumption, these were added in based upon the 2.0 standards. And also Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE, that was added on in the 4.0 standards. And we're going to talk more about that. Bluetooth 4.0, this is the state of the art, and this is the number series that are coming out. And starting from 4.0, of course, more, 4.1, 4.2, these releases are coming out. Now, Bluetooth specification 4.0 is also called Bluetooth Smart, and it was adopted in 2010. This includes, of course, the former Bluetooth standards, but it also includes BLE, Bluetooth Low Energy. Now, BLE defines several profiles, which are specifications on how a device can consume very low energy consumption while servicing a particular application. And what you want to do is you want to reduce power consumption and cost while you're maintaining a similar communication range when you're not using, as if you were not using this low energy profile. Now, a manufacturer can implement a customized specification for their product at a very low energy consumption rate using BLE technology. A device can have multiple BLE profiles, such as healthcare profile, sports and fitness profile, IPSP, Internet Protocol Support profile, ESP, environmental sensing profile, and there's many other profiles. And you can select multiple of these on a device to have. Now, there are also Bluetooth beacons. Now, a Bluetooth beacon device transmits a unique ID number that can be read by a Bluetooth receiver. And it can be used by an application, an app, on your smartphone. Now, what happens is that a Bluetooth beacon, typically, these are now commonly deployed on many, many different types of small devices. And some of them are actually battery powered. And they broadcast the signal through BLE technology using Bluetooth Low Energy antenna. Now, smartphone apps identify the location by receiving the beacon signal, and they activate location-specific information on their smartphones. Some things could be like advertisement or a coupon distribution. Like you go into a department store, and when you reach a certain place that's selling something, you may not see it on the display, it may not catch your eye, but on your smartphone, it may identify that this product is here in this local area. That information would be sent through the app, but then the location information would come from the Bluetooth beacon. Other things like home automation, transportation systems, you can also use it in sports stadiums and various types of stores. Bluetooth 4.1 was released in 2013, and you can see an incremental software update to Bluetooth specification 4.0. Now, there were no hardware updates, but this increased the coexistence support for LTE, bulk data exchange rate support, device multiple role simultaneous support were all enabled by this software update. These are the references that I used in preparing this lecture part, and you can use these references for further studies. Thank you.